It stands outside the window.
Like two killers.
Go run, 'cause I'm not a killer. I'm a motherfucking murderer. Check. Mic check. Slit your neck. Move your face up on the palm. Send it to your mother at home. You ain't ready for this chrome. You gon' talk and I'm going. You already know this. You need to write it down. Pencil, paper, take a notice. Bitch, I'm blow piff. You know this. You blow it. You faggot ass homo. On some homo shit. Me, I got a bitch. Better yet, make that 3. One bitch named Becky, Tiffany, and Jessica, some shit. They both suck my dick, while the other one jump on top. They both hit that drop, while I make that car drop. They go whoppity wop wop, something like Lil Wayne. But I'm coming through her brain, my dick go through her brain, while she giving me brain. Yeah, it's all insane. She talking about after that, can I rock your chain? Who, me? Flawless, not never that. Where I'm from, we rock the Trigger Thunder. Fitted cabs to the back, yeah, that's where the funk Trigger Thunder at. Cause we at New Jersey, Southside Thunder Crack. That's straight motherfucking dope. Kill your ass, hang you with a rope. Yeah, go to your mother's house and make her choke with that dick down her throat. Nigga, I'm going insane.
Going insane, let me follow him. Got your bitch here, and I guarantee she's swallowing the best shit. She be on some next shit, so after we both get some hair, we on some next shit. Kick that country bitch right up to the curb. Tell JB to give me the swisher. I'm lighting up this herb, that's my word, and I say that to the fucking fullest. Coming through with the bullets. Yes, I will fucking pull it. Yes, I do it too. Straight to the top where I'm landing, where I'm standing. I don't care, cause I'm outstanding. I will shoot you while you outstanding on my fucking porch. I will shoot you if you dork, if you cocaine, if you snort. I don't care what you doing, just don't bring it around me, cause I will rob you, and I will rob your sneaks and your tea if it's fresh, cause I got the tech and the 9 million. I'm shooting for respect at your neck. 2 bullets look like a vampire came through him high as hell off the sound when we inquire. For my homies that we fucking sell it, I will light it up and hell it, and I'm higher than some well shit in the fucking air. I don't fucking care. Fuck you around there, fuck you around here. Don't bring it around here unless you wanna disappear like a fucking magic trick. Watch me fuck this trickin' bitch. Go.
What's under your bed? Damn, it's the boogeyman. Nah, it's me and up in the hoodie, man. And I got that 4-5 up in the hoodie pocket. I pull out, let it spit it. I pop it rockets, hit your top bitch, leave your bitch topless. I'm not talking about her panties and bra off her chest. Talking about that motherfucking bullet spit out the tech. Hit your neck, leave you for dead on the fucking porch step. You already know, we torch you dead. Leave your body on fire, use it to smoke on cigarette and our blunts too. Fuck that shit, what you gonna do? You ain't gonna do shit, you a bitch, a punk ass bitch. You can die quick with the fucking knife, bitch, or the fucking knife shit. I don't give a fuck, I'll go in the back and pump that truck quick. Pull out that pump, dump them fucking dumplings. They hit you in your motherfucking face, leave you dumbless. Make my ride go up and down. I can't hear a fucking sound, cause the silencer is on now. So go call the cops now.
You better call me. You better call me quick, cause I'm shooting off that eagle like Michael Vick. 7 bullets in the pocket. Money tall as Yao Ming back when he was playing on the Rockets. Stop it before I let this 4-5 and pop quick. Shoot you from Dallas to New York. Now like kid, now you on the Knicks dishing off where the fuck did Lynn go dishing bricks. Now you out in Houston, bitch. I'll tell you where you gon' be, 6 feet. Cause if you fuck with me, I mean I'm a real OG. And I shoot you from your feet, and you will be ending up missing teeth.
You could get pop quick, like a pop quiz. Make you drop bigs, yeah, drop quick. For them fucking bullets hit your face. This is a disgrace, cause me and Dizzy against the world, there is no race.
Those